Yeah, good evening.
Okay, very good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you.
And how is
So,
yes, how
what
is
about you?
doing?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
I'm yes, I'm also good and fantastic. And as we meeting first time, could you introduce?
Yeah, I will introduce myself a little bit. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Gunjan Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and I did BCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and learning new things. That's my introduction.
Okay. Only you have done BCA.
Yeah, I have done BCA.
After that,
After that, I'm at home and I am preparing for MCA.
okay, yes, that's good. And what are your hobbies? Only reading. You,
No. I have reading and exploring new things.
okay.
Yeah,
First I introduce. After that,
yeah,
me.
yeah. I also
Okay.
know about you.
Okay, I am Suman from Haryana. I am homemaker and I am BSc B.Ed, MA English, B.Live, M.Live, and I cleared my STAT, CTET, CET and screening exam. And my hobbies are singing, dancing, gardening, driving, and now I create new hobbies, connecting new people through conversation. That's
Yeah,
all
yeah,
about.
yeah. That's a very wonderful thing. Connecting with the different people and across the world, and even across the country and even world.
I wanted to enhance my communication skill and as well as my pronunciation through conversation.
Okay, so you want to learn English speaking.
Not specific reason, but I make an environment for my children because they are good in academic and his English is also good. But the spoken part is totally different. In
Yeah, yeah, right.
since yes, since childhood we taken English as the only subject, not spoken. That's why, and today English is needed today, and everyone wants to speak in English. In every field where we go to outside, we go to school and all private
Yeah,
sectors.
English is everywhere. If you want to drink water, so you will need to speak English. Yeah, if you are in
Yes,
South India and in other state, yeah, I can
yes,
understand. So it is a good thing
yes,
actually. Yeah, learning. You are a mother, so it is very important to make environment so that children will study hard.
yes. My children are growing up, and my elder son is 12 years old. I'm teaching her. He's comfortable, and even
Yeah,
though his communication skill is good, but my younger daughter is 6 year old, and now she also speak in English. So in day we are talking with each other English in like small sentences whenever we drink water, go here, go there, come here, like this.
yeah. Actually, small sentences is very important at beginning.
Yes,
It is a very important. If you want to speak, more and long sentences. So first of all, we need to finish small sentences. So it is the beginning.
yes,
Okay. Yeah. So
yes. And
do you have a question?
yes, because how long you have been learning this language?
Actually, I have been learning this language. I think through 3 years. Since 2 3 years. When I was in college, and so I started this language learning.
Apart from this, what have to do for this language?
Actually, I do. Watching movies and reading, books, and also learning grammars, basic grammars. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, and very
So,
important talking. Yeah, in
yes,
English with
only
practice
yes,
partner.
speaking part is different from other, and in initial stage we don't need grammar, but after we have to become fluent and to learn advanced English, so that's there is the need of grammar. After that we need grammar. Only
Yeah,
we
right.
have to learn in starting, focus on our tenses, present, past, and future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, what do you do? You actually, are you married? So, what does your husband do?
My husband is a government employee.
Government employee. Okay, very good. So, you are from Haryana.
Yes, I am Haryana. My
Okay,
yes, whenever I speak, every person knows I am Haryani.
okay. So, how? When did you come to know this application? When did you know
Before,
this application?
yes, I joined this application before 10 days, 10 and 12 days before.
10 and 12
Yes,
days.
I
Yeah, that's okay.
joined, yes, 12
Yeah,
days ago.
it is a very good environment here. Okay, if you want to speak, different people and explore new
Yes,
things.
yes,
So it's a very good application.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
and it also records, videos you can watch later.
Okay. And how many years and how long you have been started your YouTube channel?
Actually,
Because
I
you told
yeah, I
me that
started
you have 5,000 subscribers.
plus 5,500 plus
Yes,
subscribers.
yes.
Yeah,
And
so
yes, and
I
which
started
type of
YouTube channel.
content you do you upload? Which type of content you upload?
Yeah, only English.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how many years ago you started?
Yeah, I started YouTube last year in August.
Okay. So your channel got monetized.
No, I have not. It is not
What
monetized yet.
time?
Actually, yeah, there is some criteria. Actually,
Both husband, both time.
I need
Yes.
to complete 4,000 watch hours.
Yes, yes, I know.
Uh,
Nowadays you upload conversation video. Yeah,
yeah,
solo
I
video you upload.
I upload conversation videos every day. Actually, yeah. And
Have you
I
uploaded?
have got lot
Yes.
of women, especially, yeah, one of women from Haryana also, and she had also two kids, and I was very glad talking to her, and also I'm very glad to talking to you. Yeah,
Karishma, from Gurugram, Karishma Chauhan and Mamta Yadav.
yeah, Mamta Yadav.
Their children are grown up.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so let's meet another time. Okay,
Okay, thank you so much.
bye. Have
It
a nice day.